Brand voice guide script. If your business has multiple writers, or even just you on a busy week, your brand probably sounds inconsistent. One email feels warm and casual. The next feels corporate. Your Instagram doesn't match your website. Customers sense this inconsistency, even if they can't name it, and it quietly erodes trust. What you need is a brand voice guide, and you can build one yourself using free AI tools in just a few hours. Start with real examples. Don't open AI yet. First, gather actual examples of your business communicating. Pull your best performing social posts, a few customer emails that felt right, your website copy, and Google or Yelp reviews where customers described you in their own words. These reviews are gold because they show how people actually experience you. Honest limitation. If your business is brand new with minimal content, AI will struggle. Instead, write down who your ideal customer is, name 3 brands you admire, and describe your business as you'd explain it to a neighbor. Analyze with ChatGPT or Claude. Use the free versions. Paste your examples and ask. Analyze the tone, word choices, and personality. Give me 5 adjectives describing my brand voice and explain what each means in practice. Then tell me what my voice is not. That last part matters most. Friendly means nothing, but friendly without being cutesy, direct without being cold. That's actionable. Draft the guide. Ask AI to structure a guide with a 2 or 3 sentence overview. For keywords with explanations, a "we sound like this" versus "we don't" section with side-by-side examples, specific words and phrases to use or avoid, and how tone shifts by channel. The comparison section is worth more than abstract description. Show concrete before and after examples so anyone using the guide can actually follow it. Create real-world examples. Have AI generate 5 to 8 examples, a Google review reply, a service announcement, an email subject line, an out-of-office auto-reply. Review every one. Edit anything that sounds off. AI will drift back into generic language. Your job is editor, not publisher. Rewrite what doesn't fit. Those hand-edited examples often become the guide's clearest parts. Format for actual use. Keep it to 1 or 2 pages using Notion, Google Docs, or Canva. Someone should read it in 5 minutes. Test it. Have one person write something using only the guide. If they struggle, simplify. This guide fixes inconsistency. It tells everyone exactly how your business sounds. Once you have it, paste it into every AI prompt going forward and get output that actually sounds like you.